Make sure that you get a grout sealer that says it inhibits mildew and bacteria growth. Otherwise, you have to keep bleaching your grout in the shower. It says to shake it good. You want to apply this with a paintbrush. Get a small paintbrush like you would use to paint a picture with. You're going to pour the grout sealer into a container. Make sure that you check the grout that you're putting the sealer in, and if you see any sealer that doesn't penetrate, make sure you wipe it off within 5 minutes. This is all according to the directions on the sealer that I'm going to use. Let's get your small paintbrush in there. Start putting it on. That section, just going to go over it very lightly. Get rid of any excess like that. That'll do it for that section. Then I'm going to do this line here and then do in between. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up so YouTube will share it with others. Make sure you get here against the wall. Now you might be wondering about the difference in colors. I regrouted the tile on the floor in the shower because the grout in it just looks like crap. So that's why the color is going to be a little different. You're going to want to give it a light wipe. Give it a light wipe on all the areas that you just went over. Then you're going to repeat this process for the whole area that you're grouting until you're done, and then that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.